Peach smoothies are not just a delicious treat, they're a powerhouse of health benefits packed into a refreshing drink. Let's dive into why you should consider adding them to your daily routine. First off, let's talk about peaches. These juicy fruits are low in calories but high in essential nutrients. A medium peach contains vitamins A and C, which are crucial for maintaining healthy skin and boosting your immune system. They're also a great source of fiber, which aids digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer. Plus, peaches are rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. This means they can play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Now, when you blend peaches into a smoothie, you're not just enjoying the taste, you're amplifying those health benefits. Peach smoothies can be incredibly hydrating, thanks to the high water content in peaches. This is especially important during hot summer days or after a workout. The natural sugars in peaches provide a quick energy boost without the crash that comes from processed sugars. To make a nutritious peach smoothie, start with ripe peaches. If they're in season, that's even better. You can blend them with yogurt or a dairy-free alternative for added creaminess and protein. Throw in a handful of spinach or kale for an extra nutrient kick without altering the sweet flavor. If you want to boost the smoothie even more, consider adding chia seeds or flax seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, making your smoothie even more filling and nutritious. Incorporating peach smoothies into your diet is simple. You can enjoy them for breakfast, as a post-workout snack, or even as a dessert. The key is to keep it balanced. Pair your smoothie with a source of protein, like a handful of nuts or a scoop of protein powder, to create a well-rounded meal. This will help stabilize your blood sugar levels and keep you energized throughout the day. Another tip is to experiment with different ingredients. Try adding a splash of almond milk or coconut water for a tropical twist. You can also mix in other fruits like bananas or berries for added flavor and nutrients. The beauty of smoothies is their versatility. You can customize them to suit your taste preferences and nutritional needs. Remember, while peach smoothies are a fantastic addition to a healthy diet, they should complement a variety of foods. Aim for a colorful plate filled with vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. This way, you'll ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients that your body craves. So, next time you're looking for a refreshing and nutritious option, consider whipping up a peach smoothie. It's an easy way to enjoy the health benefits of peaches while treating yourself to something delicious. Cheers to your health! Peach smoothies are not just a delicious treat, they're a powerhouse of health benefits that can transform your well-being. Let's dive into the advanced health benefits of these vibrant drinks. First, let's talk about antioxidants. Peaches are rich in vitamin C and polyphenol, which are fantastic at combating free radicals, those pesky molecules that contribute to aging. By neutralizing these free radicals, the antioxidants in peaches can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and promote youthful skin. Imagine sipping on a smoothie that not only tastes great, but also helps keep your skin looking fresh and vibrant. Now, let's shift our focus to bone health. Peaches contain essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, all of which play a crucial role in maintaining bone density. This is especially important as we age, as it can help prevent osteoporosis. A peach smoothie can be a delicious way to support your bones and keep them strong. For those managing diabetes, peach smoothies can be a game changer. When combined with fiber-rich ingredients, they help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent spikes. This means you can enjoy a sweet, satisfying drink without the worry of a sugar crash later on. But the benefits don't stop there. The antioxidants and nutrients in peaches, including vitamin C and vitamin E, may also protect brain cells from oxidative stress. This could potentially lower the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, making peach smoothies a smart choice for brain health. Let's not forget about heart health. The potassium found in peaches helps maintain normal blood pressure and improve circulation. This can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. So, a peach smoothie isn't just a treat, it's a step towards a healthier heart. Now, if you're looking to target specific health goals, there are countless unique peach smoothie recipes to explore. For energy, try blending peaches with spinach and a scoop of protein powder. If you're focused on digestion, add some yogurt and flax seeds. Each recipe can cater to your individual health needs. To enhance the nutritional value of your peach smoothies, consider adding superfoods like chia seeds, turmeric, or ginger. These ingredients not only boost the health benefits, but also add unique flavors and textures. Avocado can make your smoothie creamier, while leafy greens can pack in extra vitamins without altering the taste much. Peach smoothies can also address specific health concerns. For digestive issues, the fiber from peaches can help keep things moving. If you're dealing with high cholesterol, the soluble fiber in peaches can assist in lowering those levels. Pregnant women can benefit from the vitamins and minerals in peaches, while athletes can enjoy the hydration and energy boosts they provide. When making your peach smoothies, keep these tips in mind. Use fresh, organic ingredients whenever possible. Incorporate a variety of fruits and vegetables for a broader nutrient profile. Opt for unsweetened liquids like almond milk or coconut water, and don't forget to include a protein source to keep you full longer. Experts, including nutritionists and dietitians, often recommend peach smoothies as part of a balanced diet. They highlight the importance of moderation and balance, ensuring that while you enjoy these smoothies, you're also mindful of your overall intake. However, it's essential to be aware of potential risks. Overconsumption of any food can lead to imbalances, and some individuals may have allergies to peaches. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns about how peach smoothies might interact with medications or specific health conditions. Incorporating peach smoothies into your diet can be a delightful and healthful choice. With their myriad benefits and delicious flavor, they're a fantastic way to nourish your body and support your health goals.